trim up, trim up!
Woo! Bansheeboating, baby!
Very good. Close. Bansheeboat for everything boating. These maneuvers could be dangerous if not operating the boat properly. Do so at your own risk. Make sure to always have boating safety equipment, pleasure craft license on board, and always wear your PFD. Be conscious of those around you. Respect the shared waterway. Remember, never drink alcohol on boat. Always place up on the water.
We have some incredibly classified footage for you from the Bansheeboat vault. A dirty secret that I would rather have kept deep and buried in Lake Minnewanka. Unfortunately, it just makes for too good of an episode. I'm not proud of this. I'm actually pretty uneasy about posting it, but things happen, and enjoy. Enjoy in my embarrassment and suffering today. This one is for you. This is Bansheeboat. I'm Emily, and today we're going on a rip.
Okay, we're just gonna get Emily out. And we're gonna get the boat fired up. 1 second here. Oh, how far can you go? Right to that stick, basically. That's how far. And then other than that, when you come in closer, I won't do that. Okay. That's not other boat to do that. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, you can put her in forward and just go straight that way.
Enjoy the video to come at my expense.
What we're about to watch is mostly my fault because, you know, I didn't really pick a good area to go boating and I was a little bit excited to get started. So you could blame, you could pretty much put entirely all the blame on me. So let's check it out and we'll diagnose the, you know, we'll check out what happened and we'll see what the results are. So the boat motor came in contact with a little bit of wood under the water. The water is literally brown from like wood soup. Let's check that out again. Oh! Oh, look at that wood. Oh, she probably feels so bad. Oh. Ugh. Look at that wood. Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's like literally, the water is literally mulch. Holy. Look at that. Check a close up. Oh, nice. That's a big chunk. Look at this one. Oh, did you see that? Oh, look at that. Oh, baby. Jeez. Well, sometimes stuff happens and you just have, you know, I'm happy I got it on film because that's pretty cool because, you know, we got really lucky this time. Let's just say that. Because I was able to fix the propeller so easily and there was absolutely zero damage. There wasn't any rocks. It was just wood hitting the propeller. So all that happened was a little banged up propeller and, you know, all it had to do is be sharpened up. And there's something with propellers. They have to be balanced. So each propeller has to be equal. So basically I knew that I didn't want to chip any pieces off the propeller, bending it back too hard. And I also, you know, I didn't want to take too much off the propellers to make it unbalanced. So I figured the best route of action was, you know, take the grinder and trim it up. I spent a little bit of time working at the propeller. It definitely needed to be bent. And it was a little bit more that I'd like to do while it was still on the spindle, so I figured I'd have to take the propeller off. So it's easy to take off, just one safety pin right here. Just bend it up, slide it out, and then it's just a nut and it's a washer, and the propeller slides right off if you ever had to take your propeller off for any other reason. This came off very easily. It was just, you know, hand tight on. I was able to hold on the propeller with my hand and crack it off. But sometimes you might not get that lucky. You could jam a piece of wood to prevent the propeller from spinning. So I figured the best way to fix this was with a rubber mallet on a piece of wood, and I literally just bent it back, and it worked out perfectly. No pieces broke off, just nice and gently, nice and slowly. Took my time with patience, and then I sharpened up the blades, and it turned out beautifully. It turned out even and as straight as I could possibly get it, and all it took now was a nice coat of paint, and it was ready to go. It was beautiful seeing this project come back together without any damage. You know, we still had an amazing day out in the lake, and it was just an all-around win-win. Satisfying to see this propeller going back on and everything in good shape and everything good to go. When I finally got it back on the motor, it just looked absolutely fantastic. And yeah. And we still actually use this propeller to this day. Do some great stuff. We're gonna do some drone shots, new lakes. We are only striving to get 4K shots. I'm gonna try and get the best sound and the best video in every single video to come, and make it better and better every single video that I make. So hopefully you subscribe right down there, because every video that comes out, you are gonna be happy with.
Has anyone seen my plug anywhere? Woo! Bansheeboat, baby!
Check out one of these other fantastic videos. You won't be disappointed.
So make sure you subscribe right down there, and we got a great video coming up next week, so stay tuned.